Hello, Assalamualaikum to Ma'am Amalina. I'm 2230283 Muhammad Nufawaz bin Kamaluddin with my team members Muhammad Afiq Danish, Muhammad Hidayat Hakimi, and also Muhammad Ishbat Haikal. So now we're going to show you about our game project, which is development of two educational tank battle game with real-time combat and math-based interaction. So we have a few changes about this. We don't use math-based interaction, but we use the history-based interaction, which is it's more easy to learn and more easy to play with, rather than we use math that if we make it simple question, we might get too easy, and if we make it hard, it, we might have to bring our pencil and also paper to write down the question, and also we have to bring our calculator to calculate all the question that has been given. So our game called Boombot Malaysian History Battle, which is the goal for this game, is to create a 2D side-scrolling tank battle game that combines competitive gameplay with educational component. So in the game, we have two-player combat mode, which is player take control of animated tanks in large forest setting and launch weapon-based attack that are influenced by the accurate answer to historical puzzle. So this is our interface design before we create the actual game. So we have the question and also two tanks, which is the player one and also player two with health indicator. So I want to show you our actual game. If you run this coding, we have to give a few seconds before the games run. Yes. So the game is starting. At first, we can its main menu with the sound effect with the button play. So if we press this play button, just directly go to our actual game, which is it's like our interface that we are designed, which is we have player one and also player two. How to control the game? For player one, just have to press D and A. D for forward and A for backward. And if we want to control player two, we just have to press J for forward and L for backward. So in this interface, we have two tank, player one and player two, with the green box, which is who is controlling the game, and also health indicator. And then if we see this, we have player one score and also player two score. And the center, in the up center, we have pause. If you click, so if go to pause menu, and if we press escape game, just go to the actual. So I want to show you the play how to play this game. To get the question, you just have to press W for player one and I for player two. So this is the question with the historical image, which is bear, and also time. The answer, time, and the question. So I want to answer. So what happened after the wrong answer? Just close the question and pass the button to play two. So I want to play as a play two. We press I. What is the largest state? So have the effect after we type the keyboard and also time. So and when we enter, right? So it launched a missile from the tank. Have the correct effect sound to make it more interesting. And also you have the explosion effect with the sound itself, which is it's quite nice because we construct it with using just AI. And so now it's play one turn. What is the oldest city in Malaysia? I just want to wrong. So that is the effects for wrong. And once again, this is play 2 as name of Malaysia first honor. I don't want to type it because it's too long. So that's all. Just be I want to end the game right here we when one player just win the game, just show that the player one or player two win. So press spacebar to restart. So if one player just winning the game, they have to press spacebar if they want to restart the game, and if they don't want, just exit the game. So now I want to show you about how the coding of this game. So this is our all the include glue.hash, stream, strings, ctime, vector, map, algorithm, stream, fstream, ctype, windows.hash, mmsystem.hash, and also winmm.lib. So this is the game constant. We have the screen width and screen height 1300 and also 720. The player speed, how fast we want to move the tank, projectile speed, projectile speed, how fast I want to make the missile go, base damage. So this is where I want to make the game more fun. We can custom the base damage. So back then I was I was put just 10 on each question, which is if player 1 answer the correct correct answer, so the player 2 get a 10 hit from 100. So it might be long, but if you want to make it short, you just have to put 50 because the full health score is 100. So when I put 50, just need two correct answer to win. So the question time limit is 15 seconds. So this is game stats, opening screen, game screen, pause menu, game over screen. So this is the question structure, which is struck the particle, struck the explosion, player, projectile, the how the game simulation itself. So next I want to show you where we store the question. So this is void load question, which is we make three difficulty, which is the first one is basic question, second one is intermediate question, and last is advanced question, which is this is might be easy, this is medium, and this is hard. So this is additional question to reach because I want to make it 40 question. So that's all for the presentation of our game Boombot. I hope you understand the logic of the game, and it's quite nice if you want to play this game. That's all. Thank you.